we're gonna tap into Essence, and we're gonna see how that one's coming off. I might still keep my little boxes that way I can throw the decan in there.
A whole presentation.
Yeah, keep the whole presentation for real. Now this one is supposed. This one's supposed to be more of like a vanilla, warm, spicy, floral type of fragrance.
You can tell by the juice color. Did your juice color change in yours?
Let me see. Let me check.
Mine's is like a red.
Oh God, yeah. Mine's is like a rose type of color.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Let's go ahead and get that on.
Yeah. Let's see how this one's gonna be coming off right here. So again, this one right here is Essence that we're tapped into. Let's see what we got.
Oh, that's spicy. Oh, I hit you right in the nose.
Yeah, hey, for real. No, bro, hold on, man.
Yeah, I thought we was down there. Thought I was snorting powder. God dang.
Bro, hold on, man. This is Essence.
Hit you in the nose right away.
Bro, my goodness, man. Hold on now. This one's different.
Knocked me right off of my feet.
This one is different. High florals for sure. You can get the floral accords that's in this all the way. And normally when a fragrance hits me like that, it's high on floral notes. Because I don't know if it's hard to get that rose mixed down, but this one is really hitting on those floral accords.
Man, this is like, man, it knocked my scent palette off.
Need some coffee beans to bring it back,
huh? Real, bro. Hey, they hit me hard, bro. I would have thinking like, bro,
I get it, man. I get it.
Oh, won't knock me out.
Jesus Christ. Now this
one's nice though. I would say out of all of them so far, this is probably my favorite. Like this is more like my speed. I definitely get like a soft, spicy. There's a little bit of fruits in the opening, but it's not nothing that's like overpowering. But this is like spicy and sweet, is what I was saying.
Sensei put the notes in the chat. Do you get that coffee accord?
No.
Like I don't get coffee in this at all, fam.
I definitely pick up on the orange blossom.
Yeah, you can get that, and you can get the bergamot. A little bit of that lemon, but it's not as dominant. You get mostly the rose right off the rip. You can tell that the rose is a floral type of fragrance.
Yeah, I get more so like right now to my nose, I'm getting orange blossom. I'll get the jasmine subuck, a little bit of that rose, and like this vanilla. And now I don't know if the cinnamon says that it's in the base, but bro, that cinnamon came like right away. That shit done and knocked me off my feet.
See, for me, I did get that spice, but it was that whenever I pick up that Bulgarian rose or any type of rose accord, it comes off extremely sharp for me for the most part. Now with what was the last one? Essence? Mm-hmm. No, that's the one we're doing right now.
Passion.
With Passion, it didn't come off that way. With Essence, it's like you said, it hit right away, like through all my senses off. But it was mixing together with that spice as well. And I'm kind of surprised that there isn't spice in the opening the way that this fragrance came off.
Bro, the way it came off, I felt like I got that Western right away. But then again, it could have been the coffee. You know what I'm saying? Coffee, when it's like freshly like grind, it does have like a slight spiciness to it where it can be a little bit overpowering. But for me, if I have to say, like out of the three that we smell so far, this is the best one, and I would say this is definitely more so for this upcoming season of fall. And when it has so much body, I think it has a level like sexiness to it. It has an alluring nature to it. But I like this the most in the depth. Now I'm starting to get like a slight creamy nature to it as well, which is probably going to be the vanilla or sandalwood.
Yeah, I'm picking that switch up as well. I do think that it's that sandalwood, but at the same time, this one did transition pretty quickly compared to the others. Like the other ones kind of stayed in that same vein as the opening. This one is transitioning extremely nice to where I don't know that sharpness that I was getting in the opening is dialing down drastically for me and becoming a much more smoother floral fragrance. Not really getting no citruses at all right now.
Some people says Essence smells like Altair. I wouldn't say that. I feel like it may have some similarities when it comes down to like how the vanilla is done, but I think it kind of does its own thing.
Yeah, if it came down to Altair, I would expect that to be more so in the dry down.
Yeah,
because that one
it's
kind
very
of Altair kind of reminded me of Mercedes-Benz Club Black in a way.
okay.
So,
I never smelled. Well, no, I have smelled Mercedes-Benz Club, but I never owned it.
yeah, I have it right here. I wouldn't say that it's that per se, but as
Like
it's
similarities,
transition, what's that?
like similarities, like same family type vibe.
Nah, not in the opening for sure. I wouldn't say that in the opening, but maybe as it starts to dry down, maybe that's where that'll come from. But in the opening, I'm not really getting that right now.
Yeah, I like this essence. Like it's definitely like as I'm smelling it more and more, it's becoming more like smooth, almost like lotiony type, or like
Body butter.
yeah, like a body butter, like a something like that, or like body butter soapy type vibe, which ain't bad. Like again, it smells great. It threw me off in the opening, but it picked it up in the dry down as it's transitioning.
Out of all the three that we've smelled so far, where is this one ranking?
Essence is ranking number 1 right
See,
now.
I'm having that. I'm having the first one
Bliss
as number 1, Bliss. But this is my number 2 though, for sure. Essence is my number 2.
I'm gonna go Essence number 1, and then I'll probably go. Essence number 1 and Bliss number 2 right now for me.
Yeah. That's what's up, man.